first like blinding. Hey,
Hi, what's up you guys? It's Heather and I'm here with my friend Madison.
What's up?
So today we are going to be eating a bunch of junk food. As you can tell, we already started, and we're gonna be answering random questions that we just wrote down for each other. So, okay, let's get started.
I'm eating an M&M.
Okay, I'll do the first question.
Okay.
First question is, we'll start easy. What's a sport that you wish that you picked up as like a kid?
I'm gonna have to say. I honestly don't know the answer to that.
Wait,
I think someone's watching me.
like an interview video.
We got so serious. Milk Dud, if you're wondering. Oh,
Organic love.
Okay, I'm gonna have to say skateboarding, even though it's not really.
That's
a
what I
sport.
thought you were gonna
Yeah.
say. Or
I just
surfing.
wish I could do it.
That's the shotty.
It's only about 40.
Okay.
If we were to go to jail, what would it be for?
I feel like, honestly, like a breaking and entering type thing.
Yes.
Only because like, I feel like we get really bored at night, and like when we go to like St. Augustine or something and just like go into like a hotel's rooms and
Yes.
stuff like that. Not like the rooms, like just like
Like we
around
would
the lobby
trespass.
type thing. Yeah, like
Probably,
a trespassing
yeah.
type thing. But not like on purpose really, just because
We would just somehow end up in
yeah, we just do.
You won't. Your turn.
How do you feel about pears?
I like them, but only if they're soft and sweet. If they're crunchy and just no.
I don't really like pears, honestly.
What movie/book character do you identify with at the moment?
Right now, Alice in Wonderland, because we just watched the movie. I don't know, it just like was really good, and I really just like felt like I wish I was her.
Yeah, like that would just be a great opportunity. If you know, you know.
Job interview again. I just think it would be a great opportunity.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing great.
Okay. Okay, make a short story with the words that I got from Word Generator. Kitten, toe, marble, anger, and berries. And they're the words.
Okay. Once upon a time there was a marble. Okay, I'm starting over actually. Once upon a time there was a kitten named Toe who had anger issues. And he swallowed a marble. And after he swallowed the marble, he fairies for a week straight. So the universe being watched. Okay, if we only had one weekend together before the end of the world, and we had to spend it together, what do you think we would do? We can do anything, no limits.
It definitely wouldn't be like here. Like
Yeah,
we'd
no.
be traveling somewhere, and I don't know, we would definitely just find something like really cool, like
That would-
scuba diving in like coral reef, or like skydiving, or like just exploring something like that. We a
Could
once in
never
a
do.
life experience type thing. But like there's that movie The Matrix, and it like has a thing, would you pick the blue pill or the red pill? So the blue pill is being like ignorant and not knowing about like the Matrix, or would you choose the red pill and like finding out the truth? Which one would you?
Clearly choose the red pill.
And why?
I just like have the urge to know. Doesn't everyone?
There was a guy in the movie that like he'd chosen the red pill and he like hated it so much that he like
Well,
asked for the blue pill after.
yeah, I feel like it'd be like a huge shock. I probably couldn't even like even try to understand.
This Krabby Patty has 2 pickles. Guys, my Krabby Patty has 2 pickles.
Well,
you
you
got
got
extra
extra
pickles.
The youngest memory you have, like the first thing you could ever remember.
I only remember this because of a video that I saw myself doing it. And I don't know how old I was. I want to say I was like 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Like I was barely able to walk. So whatever age that is. It's a video of my mom. She has her leg out on the couch and I'm like pulling on this sock, but I'm so weak that it just like will not come off. I'm like trying to pull this sock off, and it's so funny. What about yours?
Oh, for sure. The story about the paint on that girl's lips.
What?
Remember?
Mm-mm.
But yeah, remember how in like kindergarten, the girl had chapped lips and we were doing finger painting? I swear I've told you this before.
I don't think I've heard this.
Her lips were like so chapped, like, and I just like couldn't understand why. And so I dipped my finger in the paint. I was like, here, let me help you. And I got blue paint and went all around, and she just let me do it. I was just trying to help a girl out.
Right now, who is your celebrity crush and why?
Okay, well, it's definitely a surfer or a skater, because that's just my thing. I have an obsession, I guess you could say. I've always been obsessed with Alex Miller, if you know who that is. He's a skater. If you were choosing to go to Mars, but you had to go alone, like you were the one that had to figure it all out there, like you would live there, like you were the first person to, like you're like the test person.
Okay.
Would you go? You had to leave everything and go alone.
Honestly, no. Just because I'm very weak. I don't know how to farm, and especially farming on Mars, that's so different than like farming on Earth. Not having like a house, like the only thing you'd have is a spaceship. And I'm like a person that really needs social interaction, so like being alone, I would hate
I'd rather
that.
just go like once it's developed, then I'm down.
Yeah. Once it's developed, for sure. I wouldn't want to be an astronaut either, honestly. Like
I used to like legitimately want to be an astronaut, but then I realized like I will get claustrophobic as fuck.
so claustrophobic. I feel like I'm stuck in a little pill capsule.
Imagine you can't breathe. Like you can only breathe inside. I'd freak out.
How does that have enough air in there?
I
Where
don't
is
know.
the air circulating from?
I
Like,
don't know.
because they're there for like years. Like,
Yeah, and they're just breathing it in. I don't know.
like, do they have a ton of plants in there? What goes on in there? I don't know.
Like I don't get it. I don't know. Skip.
What is the first word to come to mind? Go.
Peanut.
Go.
Peanut.
3, 2, 1, go.
Shit. Fart. That's all I got. Sorry.
I'm gonna ask you a second one.
Okay.
Do you think birds are real? Because there's like a big conspiracy I've seen on Twitter where they think birds are government spies.
Okay.
How do you feel about that?
I do think birds in general are real, but pigeons though, I don't know. They're just weird. And like, oh, I saw this thing where like, you know how like birds are always sitting on like the wires that like, that's how they charge themselves. Like pigeons will sit on the electrical wires because they're like fake or whatever.
Is there no electric current running through those?
There is. So how are they not dying from
Yeah.
I don't know. And you only see pigeons on there. Like you don't see like seagulls sitting on electrical lines.
True, you don't.
Do I 100% think that's true? I don't know. What emotion do you experience the most throughout your daily life?
Tiredness. Is that an emotion? There's like exhaustion. So ever since I stopped drinking coffee and like got over the initial like I'm tired,
Yeah.
I've been waking up earlier and feeling better, but I still like my nap.
I love naps.
Your least favorite word and why?
Well, I don't like the word flamboyant. I feel like it
What does that
sounds-
mean again?
But it just sounds so extra to me. Like when someone says that, I'm just like, ugh. I think it like low-key kind of means extra.
Hey Siri, what does flamboyant mean?
As an adjective, it means of a person or their behavior, tending to attract attention because of their exuberance.
See, like I hate
confidence, and
flamboyant
stylishness.
people. So the word is just
Do you want to hear the next one?
When are you most yourself?
I have very many personalities, but I like all of them. Like they're all me, but sometimes I do like being alone.
Yeah.
But then at other times I'm a very big social person. So you can't really be them both at the same time. But I guess I would say if I had to pick one, I am most myself when I'm like with a big group of people and my friends. Like my friends have to be there. I don't like being in a big group with nobody I know. That's when I like being most talkative and stuff like that. What is your dream job?
So currently this is a struggle because I don't know what I want to do or what I'm supposed to be. I really like architecture actually. Like I used to want to be an architect because I just love like building structure and stuff. Like part of me wants to like obviously travel, but that's not really.
What
a
did you
job.
say at work earlier? The girl that came in.
Oh, the high.
They were like, I want to do that.
Oh, yeah. I would prefer to be a stay-at-home rich wife.
Any boys out there watching this that want to do that for her, hit her up.
Obviously, would never shoot that down. I'm sorry, that sounded so bad.
Just kidding. Oh, did you make that?
But yeah, If I could travel and help people at the same time
Oh yeah, I like helping people.
and make a decent amount of money, that's what I would do. But like, that's so broad, I don't even know where to begin.
I really just feel like you would own an organization that like supports a cause. Okay, I think. Is that,
I think I have one more. But you can
what
ask.
is this? Did I ask you? Did I ask you? Would you rather be able to eat your favorite?
You didn't ask me.
Okay. Would you rather never be able to eat your favorite food again, but keep all your toes, or have no toes and be able to eat your favorite food?
I would say my favorite food is pasta, but
I had pasta last night.
I would have to give it up because I really just like, I mean, I wear socks all the time anyway. I would honestly say bye to pasta. It's probably better for my health anyways. Let's see, I think I have one more. Least favorite celebrity or semi-famous person.
I feel, no, she's not gonna watch this. I don't know why. I just feel
Is it a
bad.
YouTuber?
What's her name? She's like kind of chunky and she has blonde hair and she did that Pitch Perfect movie.
I know exactly who you're talking about, but I don't know her name at all. But I know
Her.
who you're talking about. Yeah.
I just like, I don't like the vibe she gives off.
Just
I
look up
feel
Pitch Perfect,
bad
you'll know.
saying this. Why do I feel bad? I just feel like she's gonna watch this and get her feelings hurt. But like, it's not you, it's me. Alright, well, thank you for watching us eat a bunch of junk food and crap and answer really random questions. I hope you guys enjoyed, and Madison, take it away.
Pass it back to you.
Oh, love you guys, bye.